Fosters environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining, the process by which transactions are verified and new coins are created on blockchain networks, has come under increasing scrutiny for its environmental impact due to its high energy consumption. Here are some of the key environmental concerns. 1. Energy consumption. High electricity usage. Cryptocurrency mining, especially using proof-of-work (POW) algorithms like Bitcoin, consumes a significant amount of electricity. This is due to the competitive nature of the mining process, where computers race to solve complex mathematical puzzles. Energy sources. The electricity consumed for mining often comes from fossil fuels like coal and natural gas, leading to greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. Competition with other uses. The high electricity consumption for mining can compete with residential and industrial uses for limited electricity resources, especially in regions with weak power grids. 2. Climate change. Greenhouse gas emissions. Electricity consumption from crypto mining contributes to greenhouse gas emissions like carbon dioxide, a primary driver of climate change. Climate impacts. Increased greenhouse gases can lead to more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and other negative environmental consequences. 3. Air pollution. Air pollutants. Crypto mining using fossil fuels can release air pollutants like particulate matter and nitrogen oxides, which are harmful to human health. Health impacts. Exposure to air pollutants can lead to respiratory problems, heart disease, and other health issues. Electronic waste. E-waste from computers. Crypto mining requires powerful computers that often become obsolete and generate electronic waste after a period of time. Toxic materials. E-waste can contain toxic materials that can pollute soil and water if not managed properly. Recycling challenges. Recycling e-waste is a complex and expensive process, and not all materials can always be recycled. Potential solutions. Renewable energy sources. Utilizing renewable energy sources like solar and wind power for mining electricity can significantly reduce the environmental impact. Developing more efficient algorithms. Developing more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms like proof-of-stake (POS) can lower the energy consumption of mining operations. Sustainable practices. Implementing sustainable practices in mining operations, such as using energy-efficient hardware and optimizing cooling systems, can further reduce environmental harm. Regulatory frameworks. Governments and industry bodies can establish regulatory frameworks to promote sustainable mining practices and reduce the environmental footprint of the cryptocurrency industry. It is important to note that the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining varies depending on the specific mining practices, energy sources used, and the overall energy mix of the regions where mining occurs. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to evolve, finding ways to minimize its environmental impact while maintaining its decentralized and secure nature will be crucial for its long-term sustainability.